Starting a new job can be both thrilling and nerve-wracking. The first day is crucial as it sets the tone for your journey in the organization. Here's a guide to help you navigate your first day at work with confidence and ease. How to navigate your first day at work. Welcome to Alamode, where life meets style. If you're looking for a place to unwind, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. 1. Prepare in advance. The key to navigating your first day at a new job begins with thorough preparation. Before your first day, spend time familiarizing yourself with the company's mission statement, core values, and long-term goals. If the company offers products or services, ensure you have a basic understanding of what they are, who the target customers are, and how they differentiate from competitors. Check out any recent news or developments related to the company. This could include new product launches, major partnerships, or industry recognition. Determine the best route to the office, whether you're driving, taking public transport, or walking. Consider alternative routes in case of traffic or delays. Build in extra time for your commute to account for unexpected delays. Aim to arrive at the office at least 15 minutes early, giving yourself time to settle in and compose yourself before starting the day. Check the company's dress code in advance, whether it's formal, business casual, or more relaxed. If you're unsure, it's better to err on the side of caution by dressing more formally. While it's important to look professional, make sure your outfit is comfortable enough for a full day at work. Choose attire that makes you feel confident and at ease, which will help you focus on making a positive impression. If HR or your supervisor requested any documents, such as identification, banking information, or signed forms, make sure they're ready to go. Depending on your role, you might need specific tools or materials on your first day. This could include a notebook, pens, or a laptop. Ensure you have everything packed and ready the night before. Consider bringing a notebook or tablet to take notes during orientation or meetings. A nutritious breakfast can help you stay focused and energized throughout the day. Choose a meal that's balanced and satisfying to keep hunger at bay and fuel your brain for a day of learning. Proper preparation is the foundation of a successful first day at work. Remember, the more prepared you are, the more you can focus on making a great first impression and starting your new job on the right foot. 2. First impressions matter. The impressions you make during those initial hours can influence how your colleagues, supervisors, and others perceive you. Arriving on time, or better yet, a bit early, demonstrates your reliability and enthusiasm for the new role. Arriving 10 to 15 minutes early gives you time to compose yourself, review any notes, and settle in before the day officially begins. Nonverbal cues, such as your posture, eye contact, and handshake, play a significant role in first impressions. Stand tall, make eye contact, and offer a firm handshake when meeting new colleagues. You'll likely meet many people on your first day, so be prepared with a brief, friendly introduction. Along with that, a genuine smile can go a long way in making a positive impression. When someone speaks to you, whether it's your supervisor or a colleague, respond thoughtfully. Acknowledge what they've said, ask follow-up questions, or share a relevant thought. Every workplace has its own culture and social norms. Pay attention to how colleagues interact, communicate, and conduct themselves. Adapting to the office culture early on can help you fit in more smoothly and build positive relationships. While it's important to make a good impression, it's equally important to approach your new role with humility. Be open to learning from others, and don't be afraid to ask questions or seek guidance. The first impression you make on your first day at work can have a lasting impact on your career. Remember, the goal is not just to impress, but to genuinely connect with your new colleagues and show that you're a valuable addition to the team. 3. Listen and observe. One of the most effective strategies for navigating this day successfully is to focus on listening and observing. By being attentive and perceptive, you can learn a lot about your new workplace and set yourself up for a smooth transition. Your first day will likely include an orientation session where you'll be introduced to company policies, procedures, and key information about your role. Pay close attention during these sessions, as they provide essential knowledge that will help you navigate your new workplace. Bring a notebook or use a digital device to jot down important details. If something isn't clear, don't hesitate to ask questions. Every workplace has its own unique culture, which includes how colleagues communicate, collaborate, and interact. Take note of how people greet each other, conduct meetings, and manage their time. Observing these interactions will help you understand the social dynamics and unwritten rules of the office. Pay attention to the preferred communication methods in the office. Are most interactions done through email, instant messaging, or face-to-face conversations? Understanding this can help you communicate more effectively with your new colleagues. Use your observations to adapt to the office culture. If you notice that the environment is more formal, adjust your behavior and communication style accordingly. Conversely, if the atmosphere is more relaxed, feel free to engage in casual conversations and build rapport with your peers. Some rules and expectations aren't always spelled out in an employee handbook, but are critical to fitting in. These could include things like the timing of lunch breaks, how meetings are run, or how decisions are made. Observing how others behave will give you insight into these norms. Pay attention to social cues from your colleagues, such as how they dress, how they address each other, and how they handle conflict or feedback. This will help you align your behavior with the team's expectations and avoid any potential missteps. While observing, be subtle and respectful. You don't want to come across as overly critical or intrusive. Instead, focus on learning how things are done and finding your place within the team. On your first day, you may not dive into complex tasks, but you can observe how work is managed and prioritized. Notice how your colleagues organize their tasks, handle deadlines, and collaborate on projects. This will give you a sense of the workflow and help you integrate into the team's processes. Pay attention to the tools, software, and resources your colleagues use to manage their work. Every team handles challenges differently. By observing how your colleagues approach problem solving, you can learn valuable strategies and understand the team's expectations when it comes to addressing issues. On your first day, you'll meet a lot of new people, but it's important to identify key individuals in the office, such as team leaders, mentors, or those who can offer support as you settle in. Observing how these individuals interact with others can give you insight into who you might approach for guidance. As you observe your colleagues, look for common interests or shared experiences that can help you build relationships. Whether it's a shared hobby, a similar work style, or a mutual connection, finding common ground can make it easier to bond with your new teammates. While building relationships is important, it's equally important to respect personal boundaries. Observe how others manage their work-life balance, and follow their lead to ensure you're respecting both professional and personal boundaries. Listening and observing on your first day at work are crucial strategies for understanding your new environment and fitting in smoothly. This approach not only helps you gather valuable information, but also demonstrates your attentiveness, adaptability, and commitment to becoming a valuable member of the team. 4. Connect with your team. One of the most important aspects of navigating your first day at a new job is making connections with your team. Building strong relationships early on can set the stage for collaboration, support, and success in your new role. When meeting your new team, be ready to introduce yourself in a clear and concise manner. Smile, make eye contact, and express your excitement about joining the team. This will make you more approachable and signal that you're eager to be part of the group. Your body language can communicate a lot about your openness to others. Keep your posture relaxed, avoid crossing your arms, and engage in eye contact. A warm greeting and a genuine smile can make a big difference in how others perceive you. Take the time to ask your colleagues about their roles, responsibilities, and how they contribute to the team's success. Understanding this early on will help you integrate more smoothly into the team's workflow. On your first day, it's important to listen carefully to what your colleagues have to say. Whether they're discussing work-related matters or just making small talk, active listening shows that you're respectful and interested in their perspectives. Nod, give verbal affirmations, or ask follow-up questions to show that you're actively listening. If you see an opportunity where you can contribute, don't hesitate to offer your help. On your first day, you'll likely be on a learning curve. Be open to learning from your colleagues, and let them know you appreciate their guidance. Every team has its own rituals and traditions, whether it's regular meetings, team lunches, or specific ways of celebrating successes. Observing and participating in these can help you bond with your colleagues and become part of the team culture. After your first day, make it a point to follow up with the colleagues you met. Whether it's scheduling a one-on-one meeting to learn more about their work or simply checking in, staying connected helps solidify those initial relationships. Connecting with your team on your first day is crucial for building strong relationships and setting the stage for future collaboration. Remember, teamwork is at the heart of any successful organization, and your efforts to connect with your colleagues will contribute to your success as well as the team's. 5. Start small but show initiative. Your first day at a new job can be both exciting and overwhelming. While it's important to take things slow and acclimate to your new environment, it's equally crucial to demonstrate initiative and eagerness to contribute. Striking this balance will help you make a strong first impression while setting the stage for long-term success. On your first day, you might be given basic tasks to help you get started. Approach these tasks with care and attention to detail. If you're unsure about how to complete a task, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Whether it's during an orientation session or while shadowing a colleague, take notes on important information. It helps you remember key points, which can be useful as you continue to learn. When appropriate, ask questions that show you're thinking ahead. This shows that you're not just focused on the task at hand, but also interested in how your work fits into the larger goals of the team. If there's an opportunity to take on a minor responsibility, such as setting up for a meeting or managing a small part of a project, don't hesitate to volunteer. Take the time to listen to how your team members interact, handle tasks, and prioritize their work. Pay attention to the office culture, including how decisions are made and how feedback is given. Understanding these dynamics will help you navigate your new environment more smoothly and identify the best ways to show initiative without overstepping boundaries. While it's important to show that you're eager to contribute, be mindful of your workload. It's better to complete a few tasks well than to take on too much and risk underperforming. Pace yourself, and gradually increase your responsibilities as you become more comfortable in your role. If you have ideas for improvements or suggestions, consider sharing them, but do so thoughtfully. This shows initiative while also respecting the existing processes and the experience of your colleagues. Starting small but showing initiative on your first day at work is a powerful way to make a positive impression and set the tone for your future success. Remember, it's about pacing yourself while also showing that you're ready and willing to contribute from day one. 6. Stay organized. Your first day at a new job is filled with new information, introductions, and tasks. Staying organized from the start is key to managing the various demands and ensuring a smooth transition into your new role. Ensure you have everything you might need, such as a notebook, pens, a planner, and any documents or forms required by HR. During your first day, you'll be introduced to many new concepts, procedures, and people. Take detailed notes on everything from your job responsibilities to team dynamics and software tools. To make your notes more useful, organize them by topic or category. For example, keep notes on tasks separate from notes on company policies or team introductions. This way, you can easily refer back to specific information when needed. On your first day, you may be given several tasks or pieces of information. Prioritize what needs immediate attention, such as tasks that are due soon or meetings that require preparation. A simple to-do list can be incredibly helpful on your first day. List out the tasks you need to complete, along with any deadlines. As you check off items, you'll have a clear sense of progress and what still needs to be done. Your first day can be overwhelming, so it's important to schedule short breaks to recharge. Staying organized includes managing your energy levels throughout the day. Take a few minutes to organize your workspace. Arrange your supplies, set up your computer, and create a layout that will help you work efficiently. Throughout the day, try to keep your workspace tidy. Clear away unnecessary papers, organize your notes, and ensure that your desk remains clutter-free. A clean workspace can help you stay calm and organized. Many workplaces use digital tools like calendars, task managers, and communication platforms to stay organized. Familiarize yourself with these tools on your first day, and use them to manage your tasks, schedule, and communications. Staying organized on your first day at work is essential for managing the influx of new information and responsibilities. An organized approach not only helps you navigate your first day with confidence, but also lays the foundation for ongoing success in your new role. 7. Reflect and prepare for tomorrow. The first day at a new job can be both exhilarating and exhausting. After navigating new responsibilities, meeting colleagues, and absorbing a wealth of information, it's essential to take a moment to reflect on your experience and prepare for the days ahead. Take some time at the end of your day to think about everything you've learned. Consider the key tasks you were introduced to, the processes you observed, and the people you met. Recognize the things you did well, whether it's completing your first task, making a positive impression, or successfully navigating the office culture. Reflect on any challenges or difficulties you encountered during your first day. Were there tasks that were particularly challenging? Did you feel uncertain in certain situations? Identifying these areas can help you focus on what you need to work on and seek guidance where necessary. If you noticed any gaps in your knowledge or skills, make a plan to address them. Taking proactive steps to improve will show your commitment to growing in your role. Based on what you learned on your first day, identify the key tasks you need to focus on tomorrow. If there are documents or materials you need for tomorrow, make sure they're ready to go. Write down a to-do list for your second day, including any tasks you didn't complete on your first day, as well as new tasks that have arisen. Reflecting on your first day and preparing for tomorrow is an essential part of navigating a new job. To sum up, the first day at a new job is an important milestone. Remember, the first day is just the beginning. Approach it with curiosity and an open mind, and you'll be well on your way to thriving in your new role. So ladies, how did you prepare for your first day at work? We'd love to hear your thoughts, strategies, and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discussions.